and welcome to Cosmetology 702. My name is Georgia Dominici. I am your teacher for the semester, and I'm super excited to meet all of you and welcome all of you to Skyline and your new career as a cosmetologist. This class will cover the biology and chemistry of the hair and scalp, and we'll also have you guys complete basic haircuts, such as the blunt or the 45-degree, and then we will go over the understanding and proper use of hairstyling tools, as well as how to do that safely with your client and keep yourself safe as well. If you just want to follow me and my little arrow over to the syllabus here, we will see you have information about how to reach me up here. And as we go down below, we see the course description and the student learning outcomes. As you see here, we're going to have you guys identify facial shapes, perform those haircuts I mentioned, demonstrate correct handling and use of hair cutting and hairstyling tools, and discuss and identify scalp diseases and disorders. So you're gonna have a full understanding of the hair, how it grows, and how to give a proper analysis of a client, and then how to go ahead and style and cut for that client. You can also see class participation and all of the different links that you'll need basically in order to complete this semester. If you follow me over here, we can go to our modules section, and you'll see all the different weeks. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way going down to week 14 right now is our last week. And you can see every single different subject that we're going to go over. We have a overview page and then a content page. So each week you'll go over the overview, and I'll show you what that looks like. You open it up, and it's going to tell you what we're going to go over. This week is hair and scalp. And it'll show you your learning objectives, what we're going to have you learn and know how to do by the end of this week. And then down here, you'll see what your lecture will be on, linked to that, and your assignment for that week, and a quiz for that week. And they will all link to those things to be completed. If you click on the next, then you'll see the next page, which will be your content page. And this will be all the information for that week, and so forth. So I hope this sort of shows you a little bit of how to go through the Canvas page. There's more different sections over here. You can go to quizzes, you can go to assignments, but basically at the beginning of class, we'll go over how to go through Canvas and how to contact me and complete assignments and things of that nature. Like I said before, I look forward to meeting all of you, and I'm excited to start this semester with you. Bye.